Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. While using Udemy as an instructor, you can add your video and content in course. However, some people have this issue: your video upload failed for one reason, problem initiating upload request. I searched a lot for a solution for this issue. However, this is the final solution. You might thinking, what is the problem? And again, I searched a lot. I changed my internet connection. I used many browsers. I think the issue in the browser. I used many browsers. However, it is still an issue in the website. However, I used this solution and it worked perfectly. All you need is going to bulk uploader, as you can see, and please do not use anything uploading. And the solution is very easy. All you need is going to bulk uploader, as you can see here in the front of the page, and you can see here that you choose your file in the drag and drop. And please do not choose anything like Dropbox, Google Drive, URL, because all of them might have an issue too. So you just need to wait while your file is uploading, and now all you need to do is going again to upload a video, and you can see from your library you can choose your file and it will be perfectly uploaded, and you can use it in your course. And you can use the bulk uploader also if your connection is very poor, as it will have these systematic uploading methods, and you can now choosing wherever you want, as you can see in this video. Thanks for watching and thank you.